So here's how we get started with Cameo. When you download a file, every file will have different options. And if you have the best file to use would be the DXF file. However, when you try to save your file, you won't be able to create an SVG file. An SVG file is a cut file, already has the cut lines in the file and you don't have to trace anything. So I'm going to select the SVG file because I have Business Edition. And here's just a basic file. To change colors, you have the color palette here on the right side. You're going to click on the image, right click, ungroup. So notice how all these little boxes appear. That means that everything is now its own object. You can just click on the side, and then here's where you get to select different images. So if you want to select multiple images, let's say you want to color some of the leaves brown, you can click Shift and then go around and click the ones that you want to turn brown, and then you go to your color palette and then you change the color. Then you do the same for the others. You click Shift to select other ones and then change the color, and then do the same for the last ones, and I guess I'll just do red. Now you can do the same for the text. If you want to change the colors of the letters, same thing. Click, select the letters that you want to change, and that's basically all you need to do. Now notice how this area is one box. It's because all of them are already connected. So let's see, it's the orange there. And then another way that you can do it is you can click the lasso on the top left side. And just hover around it, click and drag, and then you can change the color of the next part. And do the same thing for the last one.